Hey YouTube, super exciting day today. I just made a couple unboxing videos for these. The plan is to try to reduce waste and hopefully be a little more environmentally friendly and also maybe save a few dollars in the long run. Let's go shopping. We're back from my favorite store. All I really needed was the lemons, but also ran out of chicken and some frozen fruits. Let's go set things up. Okay, everything looks pretty straightforward. Here's the instruction manual. If anybody wants to read, feel free to pause at any time. Some safety stuff in English, another language, the components that came in the box, some accessories that also came in the box, the clean before using, gas canister, carbonating the water, troubleshooting, and nothing else on the back. Okay, moment of truth. I did clean this a little bit. You push it up and twist to release, put it back. Last is, before we get started, gonna put this canister in here. It's a twist on. The instructions just said gently twist. I'm trying to listen to if there's any sounds, but it seems pretty tight. Gonna fill it with water. The goal is to try to replicate our favorite flavor of Spindrift. Literally just carbonated water and lemon juice. Let's try it out. That was pretty fun. This is kind of aggressive when you push down. And it took about 4 of them to get the equivalent of what I would consider that amount of carbonation. I put 6 ounces in each of these, half, quarter, 1/8. One in here, and this is a little more lemony than this one. This is 1/16 into here, definitely a little less lemony, so I think that's somewhere between those two. If I were to make a 12-ounce equivalent, I would go a quarter into the water, and it will taste more lemony than this, but I think I prefer this one over this one and that one. Let's go to the computer and do some calculations. Here's my quick calculations. This is $20 for 30 cans at Costco. A quick side note, this one's my favorite. This was 6 ounces of liquid with 1/8 of lemon. So if I were to make the 12-ounce equivalent drink, I would start putting in a quarter amount of lemon juice. It is the one that's more lemony than this, just personal preference, but I think that one just tastes better and fresher. It's from a real lemon compared to a thing in a can. Anyways, back to the calculations. $20 a month, so after 5 months, it is $100. Compared to this 60-liter screw-in CO2 cylinders, this will make 170 cans according to this Google AI. So we'll say 150 cans for easier math. So 150, so 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, that's 5 months worth of cans. 5 months from Costco is $100. This one is $13.99. I don't know how the shipping works, but we'll just say $20 for one of these cylinders. So after 5 months, we're saving $80. The original unit costs $200. So I would say roughly after a year, we're breaking even. I'm sure there's a lot of extra stuff I should take into consideration, like potential maintenance costs. I don't know how long that thing lasts. And then maybe some small health things I want to think about. So the nice thing about this one is we could put in our own filtered water. We don't know what kind of water Spindrift uses, but then there's microplastics to take into consideration because this water bottle is plastic, but this probably has plastic in it too. So that's like, you know, a hard thing to calculate and figure out, maybe for a future video. But for now, this is just better tasting lemony carbonated water. Video 316 done.